Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a table into a Google drawing. So if I go to the Insert menu and I scroll down, I have the option to add a table. When I hover over, I can use my mouse to select the size of the table that I want. As I go across, the number of squares that get filled in will indicate the number of columns. As I go down, the number of squares that fill in will indicate the number of rows. So this table would be 5 columns by 3 rows. I only need 2 by 2 to demonstrate what's going to happen, so I'll just use a 2 by 2. Notice I get this huge table that's very long but very narrow as well. That's okay. Like any of the things that you can insert into a Google drawing, you can resize this. So if I grab these 3 dots over on the left, I can move that all the way over here. And inside each of these little cells, I can type some text, or if I need to use numbers, I can use data, so like 5. If I click out of it, notice that the table isn't very well formatted. It's basically just some gray lines. It's 2 by 2, but because it's a Google Drawing object, I can adjust it. Right now the fill is transparent. Let's make it a little bit gray. Let's give it a border, and let's make that border fairly obvious. And now I have a table with a little bit more visual pop to it, and that's how you can add a table into Google Drawings.